for the Illinois State Senate, Rendleman Orchards, in recognition of their 150th anniversary. Thank you for continuing a legacy of service, addressing food insecurities, creating jobs, and serving communities.
Wayne and Michelle, congratulations. 150 years, 5 generations, right here in beautiful Southern Illinois, God's country in the heartland of America.
Such an incredible milestone.
We're so proud of you. Thank you for all you do, not just for business, but for the entire communities that you serve. Congratulations.